Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the car and preventing power glitches. Park, key off, doors closed. Next, identify the radio fuse using the fuse box diagram under the hood or in the manual. Open the fuse box cover. Once open, find the labeled radio or accessory fuse. Remove it carefully with a puller or pliers and inspect the filament for a break. If the fuse is blown, replace it with an identical amperage fuse. This restores power to the radio before moving to the reset sequence. With the new fuse in place, power the vehicle to ACC so the radio receives current but the engine stays off. For many Taurus models, press and hold the 1 and 6 preset buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds to trigger a factory reset. Keep steady pressure. If that doesn't respond, use the alternative. Press and hold power and seek until display clears. As a last resort, disconnect the negative battery cable for 1 to 2 minutes to clear residual memory. Then reconnect. Once the radio powers back, you'll likely need to enter the security code. Locate it in the manual or dealer paperwork. Then, verify AM/FM reception, CD or Bluetooth function, presets, and clock. Make sure audio comes from all channels. If the radio remains unresponsive or shows intermittent faults, inspect the radio ground and harness connections behind the dash. If wiring is sound but failure persists, the head unit may be faulty. In that case, consult a dealer or qualified technician for module replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.